Hey guys, Richard here and welcome to this video. And in this video, we will be talking about an app called Commerce Inspector, which is a really good spying app. And without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys. So to get the app, you guys want to come onto Google and type in Commerce Inspector and just, I think it's this link here. Perfect. Okay, so when you click on this link, the first thing that you guys should do is install the free plugin. So if you guys don't know what a plugin is, if you're using Google Chrome, which is what I use, these are little plugins here, which they're like little apps, basically that go onto your Google. So you click here on install plugin, and it will take you here, and you just well, mine's is already added to Chrome, so it says added, but for you guys it would say add plugin, and this is completely free here. Okay, so that's the first thing that you guys want to do. The second thing that you guys want to do is go ahead and click here on try it for $1. So you click try it for $1, it'll prompt you to install the extension. The extension is just this right here, it's the plugin, and then you'll have to pay your $1 and you get the app. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you guys what the app looks like now on here. Okay, so the plugin or extension, whatever you guys want to call it, is this right here, Commerce Inspector. So let's say that we wanted to spy on a store. Okay, everyone knows phonebb.com. Okay, so we're going to see what they're selling. So you would go on phonebb.com, and when the extension notices that the website you're on is a Shopify store, it lights up. You see, for example, if you're on Google, it's grayed out because this obviously is not a Shopify store. But if you're on a Shopify store, it lights up. Another example here, we can do like dudegadgets.com, another Shopify store. You see how it lights up? Okay, so let's continue. So now you click here on Commerce Inspector, and oh wow, these people are not selling anything. Anyways, let's continue. So when you click here, I'm already subscribed to this store, but if you weren't subscribed, this button right here will say subscribe. Okay, so you would click this button here, and then it would subscribe you to this store, and all of this data on this store would pop up. Actually, let's go ahead and use Dude Gadgets because apparently Phone BB is not selling. So let's close this out. So you click on Commerce Inspector, it would say subscribe, and you click to subscribe. And here it tells you, I mean, it basically gives you so much information. It gives you how much they sold last week, how many units they sold, the name of their theme, which doesn't really matter here because it looks like they're actually using Turbo theme, but a custom version of Turbo. And then it gives you their best selling. Oh, and actually, sometimes they won't let you scroll down. If it does that, just go ahead and refresh the page. Click back on Commerce Inspector and let's see. Okay, perfect. So here it gives you the best-selling products. So and from when they launched this, so 6 months ago, 6 months ago, it looks like they haven't launched. Oh, look, they actually did. They launched this product 15 days ago, and they're already selling. So this right here should be a flag for you guys to check out this product, see if you can test it, and see if you can sell it because they launched it 15 days ago and they're already selling. Last week they sold $6,000 worth of this product, but we'll get back to that. So this right here is the main thing that I use to do product research with this tool, but then there's other little things that you can use that I want to show you guys. So if you click on sales, basically the same thing. It just cuts out the this top data here, and then it just shows you the sales, and it gives you their recent sales, which is pretty cool because through their recent sales we can see what they're selling the most, which is still this power floss jet, but we already knew that. Oh no, we didn't. It's actually not even here. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. It's right here. Power floss jet. So recently they've sold that item the most. They're selling the car eye pockets. They sold one of these. This could have been from an email, so we don't even take a look at these. Wood repair crayons from Bangkok. So this also tells you who they're advertising to, and right here we can see that they're advertising to the US, to Brazil, to Israel, to is this Mexico? Yeah, Mexico, to Thailand. They're advertising to a lot of countries, so they're doing worldwide targeting, which is pretty cool. They're not just doing US, so that's something to take note of. So let's continue here to products, the products tab. And this tab right here shows you how many products they launched and on what day they launched products. So as we can see, this store is very active. They're launching 12, 5, 3. It looks like they're taking the weekends off and not launching. But on every other day, they're launching, I mean, at least 5 products. Here's this. No. On the 25th, they only launched four, but they're really active. And here, I mean, on the 21st, they launched 39 products just on that one day. Let's see. They give you the recently launched products, which is also cool. You can see everything that this store is launching, and we know that this store is selling. So, if they're launching these products, is because these products are good products to test. This product here, give you guys a little insider information. I'm actually testing this product here. This is a really cool product, and they launched it. Let's see. Okay, apps. This is really cool because it gives you every single app that they are using. So they're using Quantity Breaks, Notify, which we see Notify popping up here. They're using in-cart upsell, abandoned cart toolbox, all of these. They're using multiple currency converter because we saw before that they were advertising worldwide. They're using the Verify countdown timer, which we can see that on one of their product pages. So yeah, guys, I mean this just gives you all the apps that the store is using. This is cool too because it takes you to, oh wow. Okay, never mind. I don't know if we're gonna edit this out of the video, but some stores they figured out a way to redirect you. When you're trying to go onto their best sellers, they'll redirect you. So you'll have to find some other way to get off. Yeah. So these here, let's see if I can show you with these people with phone BB. If you click on best selling, there you go. So they're not mean. They're not being mean to us. They showed us their best sellers. So yeah, that tab just shows you their best-selling products of all time. Some people like to use this and like test out like this product here because it's their bestseller. I wouldn't recommend that because this could have been their bestseller 5 months ago, but they just sold so many that it's still up there. But I mean, this product can already be super saturated and you won't make any sales. So I mean, this is just cool to see, the products that they've had in the past that have been winners so you can get ideas for future products, but I wouldn't recommend it for doing product research. So let's go ahead and click the back page. Let's go back. Yeah, these guys, man. Let's go ahead and click back on here. It's not popping up. Let's refresh the page. Oh, that's because, okay. So let's click home. Sorry guys. You guys have to make sure so this app can pop up. You can't be on the commerce inspector thing already. There you go. Now it's gonna pop up. There. So we've gone through all of these. Traffic. This one's really cool too because it shows you where they are getting their traffic from. So these people have only 30% of their traffic is coming from social. So social can mean Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, any of those social networks. Direct is email traffic and search is usually Google traffic. Links, I think, is just like links and blogs and stuff. So they're actually using blogs to get a lot of traffic to their website. Mail, to be honest, I'm not 100% sure what mail is, and then ads, I'm not 100% sure what ads is. So we keep going down. They have their Facebook page here with how many likes. And yeah, that's about it for this app, guys. But just a quick way to show you guys how I do my product research with this app. I usually come here to sales and I'll see I'm looking for a product that they launched not too long ago and is selling. So for example, here I wouldn't pay attention to this. I wouldn't pay attention to any of these because they were launched more than a month ago. So the one that I would pay attention to is this one here. They launched it 15 days ago, like I told you guys before, and they already sold $6,000 worth of it. So you can go ahead and click on it. And what is this? Simple, natural, and effective. The slimming patch adopts traditional Chinese medicine, naval therapy. Okay, so this is pretty cool. How much are they selling this for? They're selling it for $37.99. So this is actually a product that I would consider testing on my store. This could be a winner. So what I would do is get this product, find it on AliExpress or on Alibaba if you guys are getting it and importing it here. And there's also DHgate, but most of the time I would go to AliExpress, look for this item, see what price they have it. I mean this item, oh look, and they're actually selling this. They're actually selling this a lot. That's a really good sign. So I mean honestly, I'm probably going to put this on my website, guys. Yeah, guys, so this would be a good item to test. As you guys can see, they are currently selling it. It looks like they have a high margin on it. You guys would have to go ahead, look at it on AliExpress and see what you guys would sell it for. But it looks like it's a good product to test. So let's try to find one more product here. and then we will go ahead and end this video. I think it's gone on long enough. So let's go here. Let's click here. By the way, guys, when you click here and when you click on your little picture here, it takes you to your account. Let's wait here. Okay, this is our account. We are subscribed to the $99 plan, which lets us follow 10 shops. And these are all the shops that we're following here. So we can just go here. So you see we're following all of these shops. We can go ahead and click on one of them. So let's click on next deal shop. Okay, and let's click on Commerce Inspector. See what's up with these people. So 7 months, 5, 7, 10, 10, 2, 7, 7. Okay, there's nothing that I would really want to test there. Everything is too old. Let's go ahead and click on these are, yeah, these people. These people are actually ripping off Dude Gadgets, but I follow them anyways because they do, you see, they do really high numbers. So 10, 4, 2, 10 months, 4, 2 months. There's nothing here that I would consider. What are they selling? These dudes shoe optimizer rack. Interesting. But they added that a very long time ago, so I wouldn't want to test that. Let's go ahead and click here. Let's see. 5, 10, 2 years ago. Wow, and they're still selling it. 8. So there's nothing here to test. Let's click on this one. 150K sold, a year, 2 years, 4, 7, 1 year, 3 years ago. Wow, found one. Oh shoot. Wow, they added this 3 years ago and it's still selling. But look, I found one. Woman winter parka jacket. They added it 24 days ago and they've already sold 3,500. So again, you would click here, check out their item description, their price. Look this up on AliExpress. It looks like an army type of jacket. You would look at it on AliExpress, see if you can compete with these people, and you would test it. Because the reason why you would test it is because they added it. Let's go here. I forgot how many days, like 7? No, 20. They added it 24 days ago, and they're already selling this item. They've sold $3,500 in the last week, so that's a big indicator to that we should test this product. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video on Commerce Inspector. I will leave a link below, but if you guys don't want to follow the link, you can just go ahead, go to Google, type in Commerce Inspector, and here, you just click here on the second one, and you get it. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.